Hey gang, Trevor from Bookmanager here, and today I'd like to talk about single title ordering for Ingram. Bookmanager has the capability of sending a single title holding order to Ingram right from your system with just a few keystrokes. This is especially handy when Ingram is low in stock at a particular warehouse and you're unsure of whether you're going to be able to fulfill your customer's order. Usually it's used for special orders, but it can be used for stock orders. This way you can send an order separate from your regular electronic orders. It doesn't matter about your minimums, and you essentially reserve this stock for your customer or for your shelf. That order will then ship the next time you send a regular electronic order. So in a way, you're essentially just holding the order, putting your name on it, and it's sitting reserved in their warehouse for the next time you have a regular order to ship. It's typically used heavily during the holiday season or any peak buying season where Ingram's warehouse may be getting low and their inventory changes quite readily throughout the day. Doing a single title order starts exactly like a regular order. So I've got a customer special order for a book right here, and I'm gonna look it up like usual and check the pub stock, and I see, oh boy, Ingram, Oregon is where I'm gonna order it from because I wanna get it fast, but they only have 2 in stock. I'm gonna use the L for live function just to make sure they've got some stock, and they only have 1 in stock right now. I wanna order this right away to make sure that my customer gets this book because I'm not gonna be sending my regular Ingram order for another hour or so, and this copy could sell out before that time. So I'm gonna start the order just like normal, O for order. I'm gonna specify a quantity, stick in my customer name here. There we go. And I'm gonna go down, check the pub stock, make sure I've got the right supplier. So I'm gonna do Ingram, $15.99 as my price with a $19.99 sell. The margin ain't great because I'm buying in US dollars, but my customer's speedy fulfillment is worth more than a few extra points. So I'm happy in this case. Now where the magic happens is down in the last bottom right field, STO. This field here you say yes to, you put in your clerk code, and this screen here defaults to the actions field. This is where you have 2 choices, S for send or L for live to get live pub stock. So this allows you to, right before you send the order, guarantee do they still have 1 in stock. Pressing L for live will give you the same stock information as if you were going to iPage or calling Ingram's customer support. So we know this is accurate. Once again, they only have 1, so I want to jump on this right now. All I have to do at this point is hit S for send, and this order will be sent off. I also have the choice to arrow up here to specify a warehouse, or if I want pairs. Here in warehouse, I can hit page up to actually select the warehouse I want to send this to, but otherwise we just want to use our default distribution center. So I'm going to leave these blank and as defaults and just hit S for send here. It's now going to send and prepare, and it's also going to grab a confirmation. So it says STO confirmation received and processed. I can press any key, and effectively I am good to go. This order has been confirmed. I can check it in order processing, and I would have, if I were to search for Ingram, I could see it was my last order sent. I've got a confirmation for it. I could view the confirmation. Basically, the previous screen would tell you if it wasn't confirmed. So if the order was back ordered, BOS, or canceled, COS, it would tell me so in the previous screen. So I don't really need to go here and check and read the actual confirmation, but if you want, it is here for you to read. But essentially that's it. This order has now been sent, and it will sit there held for my customer in my store until my next regular Ingram order here is sent. Single title ordering is handy, again, for low stock, but you can get into the problem of using it too much or using it for all your orders. Keep in mind that you need to send a regular, what's called an EO, electronic order, to Ingram in order to release single title orders. So if you do all your ordering as single title orders, you need to at least send 1 order the regular way. When you're going through order processing and you prepare and send order, you'll notice that the order type right here says EO. You need an EO order here in order to release all your single title orders. Alternatively, you can do these hold orders for entire shipments. You can do this for not only single titles, but multiples. In that way, all you have to do is send an order like normal, or start to send an order, and change this EO field to a CE. So you can see at the bottom here, it says CE order, but hold and ship with next EO order. That's all a single title order really is doing in Bookmanager. It's changing the order type to a CE and sending it immediately, and then requesting a confirmation right away as well. So you can take any order and turn it into a quote unquote single title or a holding order just by changing this to CE. But by default, the system will always go to an EO, and simply sending this will release any single title orders.